Hello everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another Glam DIY to share with you all. And we are going to use this mirror here and some of these building blocks that I got them both from the Dollar Tree. So we are going to lay out our bricks on the top part of our mirror to get our pattern today. And as you can see everyone, the large mirrors are back at the Dollar Tree. Remember they had only had the smaller size? So now they have the larger size mirrors. I'm so glad they're back. So we're placing the E6000 and we're just going to glue our bricks onto the top of our mirror. And I will be doing 4 of them in this pattern because we are doing a planter box. And the planter box has 4 sides. So we're using 4 of our mirrors. So now our bricks are all dry. So we're going to use some silver acrylic paint. And we are going to paint our bricks silver. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on today's video to see today's DIY. I hope you'll press that subscribe button to become part of the Glamster team. And, ring the bell so you'll be notified every time we do another video. And give me a like if you like today's video. So now our bricks are all dry. I did 2 coats. So now we are going to use some of our bling wrap from Dazzled, which I cut into strips. Yes, that's why I love the full roll of the bling wrap. So you can cut it into anything that you want for your project, which I'm doing stripes today, so that's what we did. And we also have our gems from Dazzled that we'll be using with today's decor. And they have a little nozzle on the back, a little clip, and it's easy to take off. They're not hard at all. You just hold on to them and twist a bit and they come off easy. So we're just going to lay everything on our mirror and just figure out the design that we are going to put our strips for our glam design. Okay, I think this is our pattern here. So we are just going to use some hot glue to glue down our strips now. And remember, you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your project. Okay, here is our mirror all done. Doesn't that look nice? All glued down. So I'm doing 1 mirror with this pattern and the other 3 sides I'll be doing with this pattern. So now I'm going to use some of our crushed glass. I love the crushed glass from Michaels. And we are going to be using some glitter and also some Mod Podge. And we're going to glue them going around the frame of our mirror. So now we lift it up and shake off any piece that's not sticking. And then we will clear the sides because we don't want no crushed glass, so we're going to glue our sides together and set it aside to dry. Okay, now that our crushed glass is all dry, we are going to apply some more of our Mod Podge, going all the way around to help seal in the crushed glass so we have no foliage off of our decor. And remember to only use the red clear gloss Mod Podge when you're sealing your Mod Podge in, because the red bottle dries with a gloss and so your mirrors pieces will shine through. It won't dull in the look of your crushed glass. And now I am going to add some of our silver glitter to our decor. So I'm going to do this to all 4 sides of our box, and then we're going to set them aside and let them dry for a few hours, or you can have it dry overnight. Okay, now our decor is all dry and nice. Doesn't it look nice? So I am just going to turn over our mirror. And I'm going to use some hot glue and help to seal in the mirror going right around the frame. Just add the hot glue to help seal in the mirror The clips are there, but the hot glue will make sure it does not come out. Alright, my Glamsters, now it's time to put our box together. OMG! So we are going to use some E6000 and some hot glue and put our square box together. Now I'm just putting something behind to help hold up the box. And then I like using my duct tape in the corners after we do that, and then some hot glue to help keep our box together. Just some extra support. Okay, now that we have our box, I'm going to be using some hot glue, and just like I said before, seal in the corners. All the 4 corners I'll be going in with some extra glue and also my duct tape. Okay, now I have a piece of foam board, and I'll be using a pen and tracing out the square part of the box because we'll be making a bottom. Okay, so we have our bottom all traced out. I'll be using the X-Acto knife and cutting out the square piece for the bottom of our box. Okay, so now we have our square piece. We're just going to push it all the way down to the bottom, and then we are going to use some hot glue going right around the four corners of the box, right round, and just sealing in the bottom of our box. And here we go, the bottom is all done. Okay, my Glamsters, here is our box. And as you can see, we have the corners where the mirrors meet up to make the box. Right here is plain. I don't like how it looks, so I'm just going to add 1 strip of our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled going down the 4 sides that are showing like this, just to give it a nicer appearance, a nicer look to tie in with our glam design on our planter box. And now our strip is down, which I think it looks very nice with the 2 strips. So we are going to add back in our bling gem to the center of our mirrors. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue them down. And we are just going to glue our gems to the 4 sides of our box. And here is our finished planter box. I think it looks really nice. I love how it turned out, our glam planter box. Yes, I think it looks very nice. Using our mirrors from the Dollar Tree and also our square blocks from the Dollar Tree also. I think it looks super cute. And our little accessories from Totally Dazzled and from Michaels. Yes, the crushed glass was from Michaels. I think it looks very nice. See how you can take dollar store items and turn them into something lovely and a glam decor for your home. And like I was telling you before, I'm so glad that they got back the large mirrors at the Dollar Tree. The size of these mirrors are 11 by 9 and they come in white, silver and black, the frames. And I will have a link below to these mirrors so you can go down there and check them out. And I'll also have the link for the building bricks also. All the links will be down below so you can get everything that I have here and make this lovely planter for yourself. And here it is with the plant inside. OMG, look at that. Look at that, my Glamsters. Doesn't it look lovely? I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And I got the, it's an artificial plant, which I got from IKEA. But you can get them on Amazon, Walmart, online. They all have them. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And I placed some rose petals inside the top of my planter. Yeah, I got the rose petal from the Dollar Tree bridal section. I'll insert a picture here of the package. but this is what I placed inside. And I just love how it looks. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. You could place something green inside. Those little green things you have to place in flowers. I forgot what they're called. I'm so sorry. But you could place something like that inside of your planter box if you like. Alright, my glamsters, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's home decor that we put together, our little glam planter box. Tell me your ideas and tell me your thoughts, on the box and how you feel about it. And if you're new here, like I said before, welcome. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. And I hope you'll press that subscribe button and hit the bell and give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.
I won't let them defeat us. We'll be fine, girl, I know I can lead us. I'm feeling the vibe inside. I know you're down.